Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Before we get started, as always, a reminder, been on here for over 6 years, Monday and Thursdays, never missed an upload. So if you want to work out on Monday and a Thursday, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, I'll be here for you. Today, we are continuing with resistant band workouts. Last workout was upper body, the one prior to that was lower body. Today, we're doing a little bit of core. So it'll be a little bit shorter than the other workouts. The other workouts about 15-20 minutes long. I think this is gonna take about 10 minutes or so. Once again, we're doing 2 sets per exercise. There's 4 different exercises. We're gonna fly right through this. No clock or anything required. We're just gonna push ourselves a little bit today with the resistance bands. Let's get started. We're starting off with the Russian twist. So we're getting down on the floor. We're getting right into this today, not wasting a lot of time. There's no reason to do that. And like I said, this will pair up great with the other 2 workouts that you might have done. So grab a little bit, choke up on that bend a little bit. You can leave your legs on the ground or you can elevate them. It's completely up to you, however you want to make it more difficult, a little bit easier. I'm going to start with the first set being a little bit easier and then push it on the second set. So you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and just twist one side and twist to the other side. Twist and twist. Lean back a little bit and twist. It all depends about how much that bend is choked up on to make this more and more difficult. Or you can grab a different resistance band. Twist, twist. Keep going. Since it's only 2 sets, we are going to push this a little bit today. Twist and twist, twist, and keep it up. Stay here with me. Let's do 10 more per side. 2, 2, keep it up. 3, and push it. 4, 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, 2 more per side. 1 and 1, 2 and 2. And now we can relax a little bit. So just stay down here with me for a few seconds. We'll relax and we'll go for the set number 2. Once again, if this is too easy, just grab a different band. Next one in the resistance, I believe, is the black color band. This one is enough for me, especially if you get down to that twist. Try to hold it for a split second under full tension. Makes it a little bit more difficult. This second set, we're gonna try to get those feet up off the ground and go through the same motion. So this one is a lot about balance. So it activates that core even more as you have to find that balance, and the only way to do that is to activate that core. So once again, same thing, choke up, but now I'm gonna try to get my legs up here and then we're gonna twist. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Twist and twist. I'm gonna bring that bend over those knees and twist it out. Make it a difficult exercise a little more difficult and twist it out. Keep going. Pull, pull. Come on. I'm calling it 10 more per side. You guys ready to go? 1 and 2. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8. Just 2 more per side. You got this. 1 and 1 more. 1 and 1 on the other side. Whew. And we could definitely start feeling that towards the end. All right, exercise number 1 done. Next 2 exercises is kind of reverse of themselves. So it's actually 1 exercise, but we're going to get through it quickly. We're going to do reverse Woodchoppers. You guys know that I love all the rotational stuff. So yeah, this is a lot of rotational work, except for the last exercise, which is the exact opposite. But you have to wait till we get there. So first, we gotta get these 2 done. I'm still gonna continue with the red band. Feel free to upgrade the band to something heavier if you like. I'm gonna choke up on it a little bit, and we're just gonna nice full rotation and up. That's what I want to see. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And up. 1. Don't have to count, but I am anyway. Keep going. Full rotation. Don't be bashful. Keep it up. Keep going. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3. Come on. 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. And relax. Not too long because we are working on the other side, and then we'll get to relax a little bit more. Guys, ready to go on the other side? 3, 2, 1. Don't waste any time. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep it up. Come on. 1, 2. Keep moving with me. Great finisher. Like I said, if you did the upper body or the lower body one, this is a good finisher. Ready? 10 more. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 2 more. 1 and 2. And now we get to relax for a few seconds. So that was set number 1. We're doing 1 more. But then we'll get to chill out a little bit. Shake out the shoulders a little bit because it definitely affects the shoulders too, right? But get a nice full twist, remember? And do as best as you can. If you can do a few more, you can still be doing them right now, then we just have a little shorter break. If you do a little bit less, that's fine. You get a little longer break. No big deal. All right, that was set number 1. We got 1 more set. Kind of combine these 2 exercises into one. And here we go. Step on your band, about the same resistance. Looks like it choked up about the same distance as it was before. Make sure you have resistance right here when you start. You don't want this band to be like this. You got resistance right in the very beginning. I just put my thumb inside the band and then I grab the other hand and it keeps it from slipping out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and here we go. 1, 2, 1, and keep going. Yes, this is core work. No, it's not crunches or sit-ups. There's also room for that, but that's just not today. Keep it up. And 2. 1 and 2. I got 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we relax. Enough relaxation. I was kidding. We're moving on to the other side. Choke up on that band by standing up on it. I stand up on it and then I put my thumb through this one side and hold my hands together. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, not sure I'm counting in. So used to counting for you guys. All right, now let's do 10 more. Ready? Now I can count. 1, come on. And 1. And that's 3. And that's 4. And this is halfway there and it's hurting and keep on going. We got 3 more. 2 more. 1. Last one. And here we go. And done. Whew, breaking in a little bit of a sweat because a little bit of cardio work along with the core work. Rotational movements. I know I've said this before. I've been doing it personally for the last couple months. It is unbelievable how much better I feel. So if it's just this workout or you can find other workouts, please do yourself a favor. Check it out. Do a lot of rotational work. I have a few videos here on this channel with rotational work. Find other stuff. It will really help you. I feel more mobile, stable, and all those things that we look for as we get a little bit older, right? Now we're getting down on the ground for the last exercise. It is the exact opposite of what I know I've been preaching rotational movement. Well, this is a static hold. We're gonna do the hollow body hold and we're gonna use a band. So grab your band, put it around your feet, lay down, stretch it all the way over your head, like so, and give me a hollow body hold. Straight arms, straight legs, press that lower back into the ground and just hold it. Squeeze that core. Shoulders off the ground. Back pressing into the ground and just keep on holding it. We're not going anywhere yet. I don't have a clock in front of me. I'm just gonna call it when I call it. Keep holding it. Hold that core tight. Don't let that bend pull you up. Pull it down. Just up the ground. Hollow body hold. That's what we're calling this. Ready? 10 more seconds or so. Ready? 1. I'm just gonna count it off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Don't let the bend slap you in the head, and now we can relax for a few seconds. All right, just one more set left. Like I said, short workout. This works great as a finisher to the other two bended workouts, which I will provide a link for, you guys can check out. All right, let's get back to this last set. Pull the shirt down, want to stay PG rated. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, arms over your head, feet up, shoulders up, and hold. Stretch those, I don't want those arms bend, I want them straight. Knees locked out, everything straight. Lower back press to the ground and just hold. Hold that core tight. This is the #1 gymnast core exercise that they do. And you guys seen their abs? Yeah, exactly. We should probably be doing more of this. Hold it. How much longer you guys got in you? How about 20 more seconds? So I'm just gonna start counting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold it. 7, squeeze, 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 1, squeeze it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we are done. You can get out of the bend however awkwardly you want to do it, and we are up. Guys, thank you for joining me today for That's the 50. As you guys know, my name is Paul. All workouts right here from the basement every Monday and every Thursday for over 6 years right now. And yes, a lot of them use resistance bands, so anybody can do this at home for a couple of $20, $30. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during next workout.